Good morning, students. Today we are going to see Unit 14, Transportation in Plants and Circulation in Animals. Last video we saw circulation in animal in that blood. This video we are going to see 14.13, 14.14 and 14.15. In the blood vessel, arteries and veins. Types of circulatory system, structure of human heart and function of human heart. Let us see one by one in detail. Now let us see one by one. First one, blood vessels, artery and veins. You see this picture, red in color, arteries, blue in color, veins. Blood vessels are a network, look like network. You see this picture like a network. There are three types. One is arteries and veins and capillaries. Three types, arteries, veins and capillaries. Let us see one by one. First one, arteries. Arteries thick and elastic. Arteries thick and elastic, carry blood away from the heart. Carry blood away from the heart. That means the arteries bring blood from the heart to supply all the parts of the body. Arteries bring blood, receive blood from the heart to all the parts of the body. Arteries carry oxygenated blood. Arteries carry oxygenated blood except pulmonary artery. Arteries carry oxygenated blood except pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery which carry deoxygenated blood to the lungs. From the heart to the lungs. Pulmonary artery which carry deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs or purification. Second one, veins. Veins blue in color. Veins thin, non-elastic. Artery is thick, elastic. Vein is thin, non-elastic. That transport blood to the heart from all parts of the body. Deoxygenated blood. Different organs. All veins carry deoxygenated blood from all parts of the body to the heart. To the heart. Vein carry deoxygenated blood from all parts of the body to the heart. Except pulmonary vein, which carry oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. Which carry oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. Next, capillaries. Capillaries are narrow tubules formed branching arterioles and unit to form venules. Capillaries formed arterioles and venules. They are about 8 nanometer in diameter. 8 nanometer, centimeter, millimeter, then very small unit, nanometer. The capillaries about 8 nanometer in diameter. Capillaries are formed single layer of endothelial cells. Capillaries formed single layer of endothelial cells. Now let us see difference between arteries and veins. Artery is thick, vein is thin. First, artery is a distributing vessel, vein is collecting vessel. Artery pink in color, vein red in color. deep location, superficial location. Then blood flow with high pressure, blood flow with low pressure. Wall of artery is strong, thick and elastic. Wall of the vein is weak, thin and non-elastic. All arteries carry oxygenated blood except pulmonary arteries. All veins carry deoxygenated blood except pulmonary vein. Internal valves are absent, internal valves are present. Types of circulatory system. Two types. One is open, another one is closed. First, open type. In that, blood pumped by heart into vessels that open into space called sinews. The blood is pumped by heart into the space called sinews. Sinews are the body cavity. The sinews are body cavity which are called homocoele. Homocoele. Coele means cavity. That is called homocoele. Capillary system is absent. Example, arthropod, mollusca and ascidians. Example, arthropods, mollusca and ascidians. Next, closed. This closed blood circulatory system is complete circuit around the body through specific blood vessels. Example, human. The blood flow from arteries to vein through small blood vessels called capillaries. Example, vertebrate. Then the closed, open and two types. The closed circulatory system. Example, human. The circulatory system is discovered by William Harvey in 1628. Before that, all thought the blood is stagnant in the body like a pond. After discovered by William Harvey only, the blood is circulated over the body. All find out. Now, structure of human heart. External structure. Heart is muscular pumping organ that pumps the blood into the blood vessels. Human heart is situated in between two lungs, slightly tilted towards the left above the diaphragm. In the thoracic cavity, chest. The heart is made up of special type of muscle called cardiac muscle. The heart is enclosed double-walled sac called pericardium. Heart is made up of double-walled sac called pericardium. It contains lubricating pericardial fluid. In between the pericardium fluid present, that fluid is called pericardial fluid, which reduce friction during heartbeat and protect from the mechanical injuries. Heart is four-chambered. Heart have four chamber, right atrium and left atrium, right ventricle and left ventricle. The heart is received deoxygenated from blood through inferior and superior vena cava. Heart supply oxygenated blood to all parts of the body through aorta. Heart receive oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart through pulmonary vein. Heart supply deoxygenated blood to the lungs for purification through pulmonary trunk. This is the outer structure, external structure of human heart. Going to see internal structure of human heart. Internal structure of human heart. Internal, this is internal structure. The right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle and left ventricle. Now, superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. Next, pulmonary vein. Then pulmonary trunk. This is tricuspid valve. Why it is called? Three flaps are there, that's why tricuspid valve. Next, bicuspid valve. Bicuspid means two flaps are there. Aortic valve. Then pulmonary valve. Then aorta. We'll see these valves function in detail now.
Now let's see function of heart. Function of heart. Heart pumping the blood all over the body. Internal structure of heart. Heart has four chambers, two atrium, right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle and left ventricle. The four chambers are divided by interatrial septum and interventricular septum. Septum is a partition wall like structure. The right atrium and right ventricle in between valve is present, that is tricuspid valve. It has three leaflets or cusp, so it called tricuspid. Left atrium, left ventricle has bicuspid valve. It has two leaflets, so it is called bicuspid, otherwise mitral valve. So it is called as mitral valve. The heart anteroventricular valve, cardiac tendon, papillary muscles attached with the valves. It has helped to pump the blood. Valves open, so heart is relaxed in position. Pulmonary trunk. Under the pulmonary trunk, pulmonary valve. Under the aorta, aortic valve. Totally four valves: aortic valve, pulmonary valve, tricuspid valve, bicuspid valve, otherwise mitral valve. The four valves avoid the backflow of blood. Heart valve. Heart valve. The auricular valve is thinner than the ventricular valve. The atrial valve is thinner than the ventricular valve. The left ventricular valve is thicker than the right ventricular valve. Why? The left ventricle is pumping the blood all over the body. Sinoatrial node is initiate the heartbeat. They spread over the heart. Atrioventricular node, bundle of his Purkinje fibers, is spread over the heart. Thank you.